Here I'm checking all the light bulbs for effectiveness, and it appears that the driver's side is not working. Now I'm on the passenger side. It looks like all of them are high beam, low beam that's in the middle, and then the turn signal are working. All right, so now we know for sure that this light here, light bulb here, is out. So it has to be replaced. That's the driver one. And this one is high beam, and that's yellow is turn signal. Okay, so we will replace this one before I take the car to inspection, to get inspected. All right, so after I did some research, or you call that the peer research, yes, it was tough. And I found out that it needs this one, and it was 17, almost $18 at Walmart. Online, I think it's $100, and if you go to the dealership, it's $3,000. Okay, so $18 at Walmart plus taxes. All right, so this is it. So hopefully, luckily for this car, one does not need to take the engine out just to get to the light bulbs. So this is the one in question, and this is the high beam. So it's a very simple process. This is just a cover, and we just remove the cover. You turn it to unscrew. Okay. All right. So it is open. All right. So this is the cover, and I don't know if you all can see. It is empty. It is empty. There's no light bulb in there. No light bulb. So let's go ahead and replace the one here. And it's a simple, folks. This is a new design again. Well, new to me. The connections, the plus and negative, is like yeah, it's like this. All right. So all we have to do now is well, I'm not saying the reverse because I did not remove the old one, and I will just go ahead and place that inside. And it's hard to I can't really see what I'm doing or to show you, but again, it's not that complicated. Let me go ahead and put the camera down and put the light bulb. I was able to get it. Okay, there it is. You see, that's the head. Okay, that's, yeah, it's well seated. So now let me go ahead and see if it light up. Also, it's a good idea to disconnect the ground or the negative, since I was having a little bit problem to get it fit in there, and I didn't want it to fry, so I disconnected the battery. All right, this is it. You see, all three of them are on. All right, on the other side, same thing. All right. All right, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Woo-hoo.